Setting up payment methods on Poshmark is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can set up payment methods on Poshmark. Well, the process is pretty simple. In order to do that, you have to be at your Google, and here you have to simply go to Poshmark and then simply log into your account. Once you are logged in, you just need to follow these instructions. First things first, go to my account section by tapping on your profile, and then you just have to go to my balance. After getting on your balance, you will be able to see your redeemable balance, your credits and pendings. Now here you have to tap on the redeemables. And afterwards you can actually, select however you want to redeem it. You can actually do the instant transfer, back deposit, PayPal, Venmo, or request a check. So for the instant transfer or the direct deposit, you just have to enter your check details, which should contain your account number and routing number. Now the next thing could be your, continue with the check request. That's how you'll be able to do for the direct deposit. You can actually add your debit card as well, which should be your instant transfer. You can actually use PayPal as well by connecting your PayPal, and Venmo as well by connecting your Venmo. So that's pretty much it. That's how you will be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.